Trade into the 15. I want to see some reaction from here. Could trade deeper into it, but I like to see my setup start forming somewhere here. We can use this if it gets inversed. What time frame is that FVG? This is a 3-minute FVG. I'm waiting for the inversion to occur on a 3-minute. Looking like we're trading deeper into it, so you can just wait, utilize time in this moment. So I might be creating a better inversion here in the 5. So I have this here. A tiny inversion. I think I prefer that 1 minute. We flip that leg, I'm going in. And I'm in.
Order filled.
In these YM longs here. Stop loss below this level. Oh, nice, push up upside on price. And today's a no news Monday. There's only yellow folder news, I believe. Orange folder. Keep tapping into that iFVG. I don't like when we tap into iFVGs too many times. So let's keep it pushing. Need to break through these highs here. Let's triple top here. Today is the day we blow through triple tops on YM. This fair value gap has to be ran through. We've tapped into it too many times. It's a ran through fair value gap. Our fair value gaps for the streets, man. Ran through that inversion. We've tapped into it so many times. We've tapped it so many times. Tap, tap, tap. Ran through fair value gap. For the streets. It's a fair value gap for the streets. Bro, let's not tie back into that street inversion, bro. Don't like what YM is doing at all. It's coming back into that street inversion. Look at this chart, bro. Let me look at something else like NQ. I know NQ not moving like that. No NQ not moving like that. NQ's moving kind of choppy too. Shit. Let's see ES. Oh, EL. Ew. Disgusting ES. Take out those highs, I move to break even. No questions asked. Yep, stops on our break even. Oh, my stops to break even. Stops are now at break even. Risk-free trade here. Let's see what happens here. Risk-free, risk-free, risk-free. Really? Really? You really want to do that to me? Very annoying. But whatever, I guess that's the result we got today.
Stop filled.
Oh, stopped up. Okay. Wow. It's very annoying, man. That's that for me, guys. Like, that's it for me today. Not taking any more trades. You can clearly see we're chopping up. Like, what the heck? Done with that. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. We come back tomorrow. Hopefully we have better price action. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.